S2ILP Reflection on Teaching and Student Learning. The purpose of reflection on teaching and student learning is to provide opportunities to reflect on current teaching practice and self-assess for areas of strength and growth and how might your teaching practice impact student learning. This is part of the data collection phase in an action research cycle. Candidates will demonstrate progress towards mastery of CSTP. Revisiting Year 1 Inquiry. Reflect on the Year 1 inquiry as related to current practice and complete the prompts below. Write your Year 1 inquiry question below. Summarize your Year 1 inquiry. Describe how the Year 1 inquiry will impact your current teaching practice, your current students' learning. Complete the pre-observation planning, which will provide your mentor with information they can use to make a focused observation and provide purposeful feedback. You can then share and discuss the information with your mentor during the pre-observation conversation. First, describe the purpose of the activity to be observed. Next, you will list student success criteria and outcomes, answering the questions, how will you and the students know if they are successful and what evidence would you see? Then, list a minimum of 3 areas you would like your mentor to pay attention to. Following the completion of the pre-observation planning, you will arrange with your mentor to come and observe. Your mentor will conduct a formal observation and gather their notes here. In Part 2, with your mentor, discuss and determine where you are in your teaching practice using the observation evidence and the continuum of teaching practice. Include a minimum of 1 example of a strength and 1 example of an area of growth from the observation or your current teaching practice for each CSTP. The examples should be evidence of your strengths and areas of growth for the CSTP. In Part 3, reflect on the data you have gathered to develop a focus area for inquiry. Choose something you are interested in, can envision, and has a direct impact on increasing student achievement. First, follow the directions. You will develop a professional growth goal, which will be in the format of an inquiry question. You will then identify which CSTP are related to that goal and which individual elements from the CSTP are being addressed. Next, you will identify resources that will help you implement the professional growth goal. And finally, you will answer questions about the impact of your inquiry on the teaching practice and student learning.